Hi. Next week you will be reading and listening to the play An Inspector Calls. The learning objective, altså kompetansemål eller læreplanmål om du vil, er som følger. Eleven skal drøfte engelskspråklige tekster fra et utvalg av sjangrene dikt, novelle, roman, film og skuespill fra ulike deler av verden og tidsepoker. Jeg har da valgt at du skal lese An Inspector Calls, som er altså et skuespill. Now, doing an analysis and talking about literary devices. Well, first off, you need to present the author briefly. Then you move on to talking about the plot. And what is meant by plot? Well, you need to do a summary with focus on the main conflict. You continue to talk about setting, and setting is all about where and when the story is set. You move on to talking about characters. You have to give characterizations, and that means descriptions of the characters, and also, very important, how the characters relate to each other. And finally, themes. You need to present what the story really is about. What does the author want to tell us? And what is the message of the story? And this can usually be done with using 1, 2, 3 words. For example, this story is about love, hatred, human relations, and so on. Now, what is the theme, or what are the themes of An Inspector Calls? This you should be able to answer when you have read, listened, and analyzed the story. What to look for when you do an analysis? Well, when you analyze any piece of fiction, it is always central that you're able to present the different literary devices that I just talked about on the previous slide. However, it is not just enough to present the devices. You also need to be able to reflect on how the devices affect the interpretation and understanding of the play. And you have to remember to give examples to really emphasize your argument. How and when? Well, next week, week 9, you will be asked to read, listen, and analyze the play. And you will find all the necessary links in week 9. In addition, I want you to write 1 entry each on the forum that you find under week 9. Now, let me show you where you find this and how it works on NDLA. Here is An Inspector Calls on NDLA. You can listen.
Croft. They have just finished dinner.
Well, this is very nice. Very nice.
And while you listen, you can look at the pages like this. You can follow the play going through the pages like this. So I wish you good luck next week starting to study An Inspector Calls by J.B. Priestley.